In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for strategic planning. Whether you're working on a corporate roadmap or outlining personal objectives, Prezi is a powerful tool that can help bring your plans to life in an engaging and visually appealing way. Let's dive in and explore the steps to create a compelling strategic plan using Prezi. To start, you'll first need to log in to your Prezi account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your launchpad, the place where all your creative work begins. Once you're there, the next move is to click on Create from Template. Prezi offers a wide array of templates, but since our focus today is on strategic planning, you're going to want to select a template that fits this purpose, such as a strategic planning or business template. These templates are specifically designed to structure complex ideas clearly and effectively, so they provide a great foundation for your work. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to add the main topic, which will generally be your strategy title or primary objective. Think of this as your plan's headline. It sets the stage for all the detailed components that will follow. With that in place, move on to creating subtopics. Here, you'll want to include key sections like vision, mission, goals, initiatives, and KPIs. Each of these areas plays a crucial role in strategic planning, so take your time to develop the content thoroughly. Now, enhancing your presentation with charts, diagrams, and images is a fantastic way to visualize plans and progress. Prezi excels in this area, allowing you to present complex data in a way that's easy to understand and visually interesting. Whether it's a progress chart for your goals or a diagram illustrating your operating model, these visuals will help your audience grasp the content more effectively. Next up, you'll want to make use of Prezi's unique zooming paths. This feature allows you to guide your audience through each part of the strategy, step by step. By zooming into each subtopic, you maintain viewer interest and ensure they can follow along easily with the flow of information. Finally, consider adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to give your plan a polished and professional edge. While Prezi templates provide a good starting point, customizing these elements can make your presentation align perfectly with your branding and style preferences, enhancing both clarity and impact. And there you have it. That's how you can use Prezi for strategic planning. By combining structured content with dynamic visuals, Prezi offers a uniquely effective way to communicate your strategic vision. Whether you're doing this for a small team or presenting to company executives, now you're equipped to deliver a presentation that truly stands out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more ways to leverage Prezi's capabilities for your next big project.